How to delete Fiverr account permanently? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Fiverr application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see your conversations or the inbox with your friends. So in order to delete your account, first you need to tap on your more option at the right bottom corner. And over here you will be able to see your profile. You have to go to the settings option. Once you do that, you will be able to see the various options. Among them you have to go for account, and at last option there is deactivate account option. So you need to know that in Fiverr, deactivating account means deleting your account. So you have to simply move through the deactivate account option. And once you are here, there is a description about deactivate account. It is said that deactivating your account will delete all of your data, including in-app purchase items and credit, and also disconnect Fiverr from all devices. If you have Fiverr Out or Fiverr Local Number subscription plan, you need to cancel it so the store that you purchase it from. Data from deactivated accounts cannot be restored. So it is said that all of your informations, including your file, will be deleted from all of the devices that you have logged in. And if you have taken any subscription, you need to first cancel it, and then only you will be able to deactivate your account. And once you are agreed with this statement, you can go for the further process. So at the button you can see there is a section for entering your phone number. Before that, you can also select your country and country code. For that, you can tap on drop down, and from over here you can select your country. And once you're done, you can go for phone number section, where you have to enter your phone number with which you have created your Fiverr account. And once you're done entering the phone number, you can go for deactivate account option with red color at the right hand side. And by doing that, your account will be deleted. So this is how you delete Fiverr account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.